I haven't really had to do too much service on those, but this is all the points and stuff for this front end. We're waiting on the as-bills to come back to give, you know, this point is this point is that, just has to be approved. They don't give you the false information. So the Explorer, inputs, outputs, so everything in this boiler room is really being controlled from here, as far as like pump lead lags and all that.
That's good.
This is just a tie-in, so if you have it like separate laptop, you can get into that from here. And like I said, when we get housed here with just you guys or whatever time works out, you can do it real in-depth on the front end. I just don't know how much time we can dedicate to that. So the valve tag chart is here. So we have 4 supplies. Our red returns are blue. This is our phone number. Oh, this is our company. Actually, put our phone number on here. But that's up to my office. I don't know. But this is all based off of the schedules. Like pump floor isolations. A lot of the stuff's pretty obvious, but the ones that really matter are the supply risers and stuff. And these are going to match the drawings of how I built them. So these will match the as-bills once they're approved. These are the only ones you really have to reference this for, because a lot of the baseboard, the risers come up in corners. Like every room is essentially the same on most of the building. It just goes up, and then the baseboard's in between the floors, or in between the room of the 2 risers. So like down here, like this is a good example. So like you'd have no idea like what that one's gonna do, but you look on the tag. I can't see what the tag said. Heating hot water return, is that an 8?
Yeah, 8.
Yeah, so heating hot water return 8. Heating hot water return 8, so that's return riser R12. The way that they did the prints, they had, there's so much information per floor. There's a riser diagram where it actually just shows like R12, that's like all the ladders and stuff coming off between that. I think that's the most helpful to like figure everything out is, but the whole packet will be here. So there's multiple ways to do it. I think there's like 38 pages on our mechanical prints. There's a lot of information, so it's, you know, there's no fantastic albeit way. Just but all it is that's there good. Like it's you have to, unfortunately you have to dig a little bit more. It's just the way it was designed. So any questions on the boiler side of stuff in this room, or anything else I can touch upon? Backflow preventer and stuff is here. I have what we set it to on this tag. So it sets about 37 pounds, set to 36 pounds. That's where everything's balanced to, there should be enough fill pressure to get there. Backflow preventer, make up water expansion tanks. I'm sure you guys are very familiar with those expansion tanks, the bladders and all that. Charge of 27 pounds. Can't really think of too much else. We can have Billy talk about the potable